Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are diving into something that is genuinely going to blow your mind. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 Bugatti EV luxury camper, and I promise you, by the end of this video, everything you thought you knew about road travel, luxury living, and electric vehicles is going to be completely redefined. This is not just a vehicle. This is a moving mansion, a rolling statement of power, elegance, and the absolute pinnacle of what human engineering can produce when there are absolutely no budget constraints whatsoever. So buckle up, because we are going deep on this one. Let's start with what hits you first, and that is the exterior, because the moment this thing rolls into view, your jaw is going to hit the floor and stay there. Bugatti has taken their iconic design language, that instantly recognizable horseshoe grille, those muscular wheel arches, and that unmistakable sense of aggressive sophistication, and they have scaled it up to a level that feels almost cinematic. The body is finished in a deep midnight navy that shifts and shimmers depending on how the light catches it, and running along every edge, every curve, every contour of this vehicle is Bugatti's signature golden yellow trim that glows with an ambient LED underlighting system that makes the whole thing look like it is literally illuminated from within. The camper sits on a 6-wheel configuration with enormous custom matte black alloy wheels that look like they belong on a concept car from 20 years in the future. The roofline is aerodynamically sculpted and sweeps back in a single dramatic arc from the front cabin all the way to the rear, and there is a full upper deck observation terrace up there with glass railings that lets you stand on top of this beast and look out over the world like you own it. And honestly, if you can afford this, you probably do. The staircase access on the side folds out with a hydraulic mechanism so smooth and precise it feels theatrical, like the vehicle itself is welcoming you in. Every panel gap is immaculate. Every surface is polished to a mirror finish. This is bodywork that other manufacturers would frame and hang on a wall. Now let's step inside, and this is where the 2026 Bugatti EV camper stops being just a vehicle and starts being something else entirely. The interior spans 2 full levels and the square footage rivals a luxury penthouse apartment. On the ground level you are walking into a living area finished in hand-stitched leather in a warm cognac tone contrasted against brushed carbon fiber and polished stainless steel accents. There is a full chef's kitchen with integrated smart appliances, a wine cooling system that holds up to 40 bottles, and countertops in Italian marble sourced specifically for Bugatti's interior program. The seating area features custom lounge furniture that converts into sleeping configurations at the touch of a button, with a full entertainment wall running across one entire side of the cabin hosting an 8K resolution display. The master suite at the rear of the lower level is private, serene, and designed like a 5-star hotel room. There is a king-sized bed with climate-controlled mattress technology, automated blackout shading on every window, and a full ensuite bathroom with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a vanity mirror that doubles as a digital display. Ambient lighting throughout the entire interior can be customized through a central AI-powered control system that learns your preferences over time. Every single detail, from the way the doors close to the texture of the ceiling panels, communicates one thing: this was built for people who will accept absolutely nothing less than perfect. On the performance side, this is where Bugatti proves that going electric was never going to mean going slow. The 2026 Electron Volts camper is powered by a quad-motor all-wheel drive system that produces a combined output of over 2,000 horsepower. Yes, you read that correctly. 2,000 horsepower in a camper. Bugatti has incorporated their active torque vectoring system across all 6 wheels, which gives this enormous vehicle a handling precision that defies its size entirely. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, which for something this large is not just impressive, it is almost offensive to the laws of physics. The battery system is a solid-state pack developed in partnership with a German aerospace engineering firm, and it delivers a range of approximately 600 miles on a single full charge under optimal conditions. Fast charging capability brings it from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes using Bugatti's proprietary charging infrastructure. The ride itself is managed by an adaptive air suspension system with predictive road scanning that reads the surface ahead using cameras and laser sensors and adjusts the damping before you even feel a bump. Riding in this is like floating. Now the question everyone wants answered. What does the 2026 Bugatti EV camper actually cost? Bugatti has confirmed that the base configuration starts at $4.2 million, with fully bespoke builds, which is how most customers will order one, pushing the price comfortably past $6 million depending on customization. Production is limited to just 12 units globally per year, and pre-orders are already oversubscribed. If you want one, the waiting list is already being discussed in years, not months. This is not a camper. This is not even really a car in the traditional sense. This is Bugatti declaring that luxury has no ceiling, sustainability has no compromise, and the open road has never looked this good. If you enjoyed this review, hit that subscribe button, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and we will see you on the next one right here at MH Car Review.